Let's do a startup of the Splash. Haven't ran it for a while. It's still rainy outside. So, well, it's actually slowing down now. Good. This thing hasn't ran for a while, so it's time to start it. I need to put a maintainer on it. Shoot. Well, good thing there's no carpet in this thing. Still looks like it's got full power to me. Let's give it another prime. Still starts all right. Battery must be okay somewhat still. Nice. I did check the oil in it a couple days ago and it was still good. So coolant's good too. It's running a little crappy, but it just always runs like that. It has no O2 sensors on it.